Welcome to all the viewers of the CEO Instructor with 25 most important GK questions. So if you like it, then please like and share to your friends and also subscribe our channel for getting notification of my daily upcoming video. So without wasting time, we should start the topic. And the first question is, what is the national song of India? Its correct answer is option number B, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. Next one is, what is the main source of energy on the earth? Sun is the main source of energy on the earth. Question number 3, what is the smallest ocean in the world? Option number C, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. Question number 4, which is the largest lake in India? Its correct answer is option number A, Wular Lake. Wular Lake is the largest lake in India and it is in Jammu and Kashmir. Next question is, who built the Red Fort in Delhi? Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan built the Red Fort in Delhi. Question number 6, what is the currency of USA? It's very simple question, dollar. Dollar is the currency of USA. Question number 7, who was the first female IPS officer in India? Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi was the first female IPS officer in India. Next one is, who is the first Indian Field Marshal? Option number B, Jamsetji Manekshaw. Jamsetji Manekshaw is the first Indian Field Marshal. Next one is, who composed the Indian National Anthem? Its correct answer is option number C, Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore composed the Indian National Anthem. Question number 10 is, when the Indian people celebrate Independence Day? It means when we celebrate Independence Day. Its correct answer is option number A, 15 August. India celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. Next one is, when we celebrate our Indian Republic Day? India celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. What is the national sports of Canada? Ice hockey. Ice hockey is the national sports of Canada. Which is India's highest sports award? Its correct answer is option number A. You should learn it that the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is India's highest sport award. Next question is, full form of EVM. Full form of EVM. Its correct answer is option number A, electronic voting machine. Electronic voting machine is the full form of EVM. Question number 15, Hindi Day is celebrated on. When we celebrate Hindi Day? Its correct answer is September 14. Next question is, Bihu is the popular dance of. Its correct answer is option number C, Assam. Bihu is the popular dance of Assam. Which is the longest river in India? Ganga River. Ganga River is the longest river in India. Next question is, IBM is the short form of. Its correct answer is option number B, International Business Machine. Full form of IBM is International Business Machine. Next question is, who was the first woman Lok Sabha Speaker of India? Option number B, Meera Kumar. Meera Kumar was the first woman Lok Sabha Speaker of India. Question number 20 is, where is the Pushkar Lake situated in India? Its correct answer is option number B, Rajasthan. Pushkar Lake is situated in Rajasthan state of India. Question number 21 is, how long does the earth rotate in a circle? Its correct answer is option number C, 365.25. It means 365 days or plus 6 hours, and this 6 hours makes a day in 4 years. That's why there are 366 days in a leap year. Next question is question number 22. National Youth Day is celebrated on which date of the following? Option number A, 12 January. We celebrate National Youth Day on 12 January. Next question is, what is the magnitude of the Earth measuring machine? Option number A, Richter scale and seismograph is the magnitude of the earthquake measuring machine. Next one is, on which date is the National Army Day celebrated? We celebrate National Army Day on January 15. Its correct answer is option number D. Next question is, on which date is the National Sports Day celebrated? So we celebrate National Sports Day on August 29. Its correct answer is option number C. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share to your friends and also subscribe our channel for getting notification. And for more videos, you should move to playlist. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.